Hello everyone and welcome back to Jer's Motorcycle Repair. Finally got some time and we're going to change the oil on the old Shovelhead today. So follow along, let's get it done. You'll notice I changed the headlights out on it. I put LED headlights on, modernized the bike. All lighting is now LED on this bike. Take a little load off the charging system, which will help. And yes, I have a strap on this. I like to be safe when I got them up on the jack. So, I've had the bike up and running, warmed up, and got the covers all off as you can see. We're going to pull the old dipstick out of here. Hang on a second, I'll get y'all on the tripod. But before I do that, we're going to pull the dipstick out. This is our drain plug for the oil tank. And underneath here, take you under here, we can see it. That right here is the oil filter. So we'll change that out. Alright, here we go, folks. Pull the old dipstick out, wipe her off, get her nice and clean. Now we'll set her down here out of the way. Now, 3/4 inch. Yeah, and I'd already busted it loose, so I'm gonna a little funnel down here so we don't make a mess all over the place. You always want to warm them up a little bit, get the oil circulate before you drain them. And my funnel don't, well, I'm making a big mess. It's all right. Boy, that oil's nasty. It's dirty. All right, we'll clean the pipe off. There we go. I'm just going to have to let her run down the side. Not a big deal. And of course, the wind wants to blow today, naturally. Welcome to Kansas, where the wind blows all the time. Don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. It'll change. Try not to make a big mess here. Clean the old plug off. Oh, it's carpet cleaner here, clean it all off. Yeah, that's got some gross stuff down in there. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys for a minute. Well, everyone, I've been interrupted about 4,000 times today, and sorry about that. People come by, and anyways, oil's drained out. Gotta put the plug back in. Sorry about the delay on that. It's life. Alright, got the old plug back in. And I know a lot of you have seen an oil filter come out before. And, you know, it's nothing special. It's a stupid oil filter. But I know there's some people out there like want to know. You know, so bringing you down here on my level. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you under here and show you. Best I can, you know. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this whole one-handed. So, let's see. There's the oil filter, as y'all can see. Okay. See if I can get a good grip on it. Doing this one-handed. I do have to say, I like this position better than what's on my twin cams. Okay. I'll put you down for a second, folks. As this is on there. Oops. Didn't mean to flop you all over. But this thing is on there tight. Who knows when this was taken off last. Okay, I'm going to go around from the other side. See if I can get a better grip on it. All I'm doing is moving the bike around on the jack. And no, I cannot get it from the left side. So, I'm going to shut the camera off, guys, while I fight this for a second. I'll be right back. Alright, everybody, I'm back. This was bad. As you can see how mangled up it is. This was tight. So, bear with me. Shaking around here, trying to get this and let you all see. This was not good. This filter's been on here a long time. Try to do this without dropping it down in there and splashing all over the place. Yeah. Ooh, look at that nasty. Yeah, this poor old bike's had a long time. So, we're going to let that drip. I'll get it all cleaned up. And, I'll put the new filter on. I'm going to put some oil in the new filter so that it's not a dry start, everybody. Okay? It's simple. I spin that one off. I'm going to spin the new one on. Right now my hands are gross and nasty and I don't want to play with my camera too much. But, you can all see where it goes on this old bike. Now I'm going to clean up where I drained the oil. And then I'll come back when I'm putting the oil back in. Okay? Thanks for the patience. Okay, everyone. This is the oil I'm running this bike because it's high zinc content. It's a straight 50 weight. That's what this bike needs. I'm going to put some oil in the filter, screw it back on, gotta go. Somebody else is stopping by. Alright everyone, I'm back. Sorry for all these interruptions today. Apparently everybody had to come by today. I will take you under here. New oil filter is in place. I did fill the oil filter up before I screwed it on and hand tightened it. You know, quarter turn past tight. You gotta crank them down. I did fill the oil bag up, 3 quarts of oil. I gotta wait till I get it off the jack stand here to check it, but I did run it, let it warm up, and you know, check for leaks, and we're good. Now, excuse me, I gotta change transmission fluid. If you can see, I'm pointing at it right, yeah. Yeah, it'd help if I'd aimed the camera right spot, but right there is the fill plug. That's where you check your oil. And then, I'll see if I can get you under here. Right back there in the middle of the transmission. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I can't zoom in at the moment, but I'll have to get it off the jack, and that's the drain plug. And that takes a quart of oil for the transmission. And I'll show you what I'm going to put in that. Hang on. This is what I'm going to be running in the transmission. That's highly recommended for it. 75140 Valvoline. Then I did, well, I had visitors. I pulled this is the fill plug, and down here's the drain plug. This is a final chain drive on this bike. I drained the oil out of it, and I'm going to have to fill it back up. It takes 6 to 8 ounces. This is what I'm going to run in it, red line. That lubes your chain on the final drive. And then this bike, Shovelheads, they had a drip system. I don't know what year they started at, but I do know this one was one of those that had a drip system that fed off the engine oil, dripped into the primary, and then circulated back through the whole engine. I don't agree with that. Getting clutch material up in your engine, that's, filter or not, that's not cool. This one's been converted, so I will drain the primary oil, put a quart in that. So that's where we're at, folks. Well, everyone, I'm sorry for all the interruptions today. Trying to do the fluid changes on the old Shovelhead, but I have a lot of friends, and they don't know what I'm doing half the time. They just pop in. So sorry you missed out on a lot of me changing the oil and everything, servicing the Shovelhead. But it's done. All I got to do now is just detail the old girl, and I'm going to take it home to its owner tomorrow and start on the next project. So I'm going to show you guys. I did give it a bath. It's a lot cleaner now than it used to be, but it's going to get waxed tomorrow on all the chrome polish and everything, and before I take it home and surprise the owner, because he didn't think it was going to come back this clean. And LED headlights and all the LED lighting, I did that just to update his bike, give him a little extra. So we're going to give you a walk around, guys, and I'll fire the old girl up. She purrs like a kitten. Here we go. All right. As I told you earlier, there's the new LED headlights. Modernized the bike, looks a lot better. And he'll definitely be able to see a lot better at night versus them old yellow lights. And I'm going to upload pictures on that so you guys can see the before and after. That front fender light, that's got an LED in it. Well, we'll just fire the old girl up. You guys can hear her run. Turn the gas on. Ignition switch. And yes, all the lights in the dash are all now LED. Run, start. The old girl runs pretty good. I'll turn the side mark. I'll turn these lights on in a second. There you go. There's the bag lights. All them burning. They just sitting there purring along. There's the new modern lights lit up. And here's what it looks like. That's what the flashers are going to be bright. I did update the flasher modules for the LEDs. We'll go out back here, you can see them flashing. Alright. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode on this bike and continue to watch my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I got more content coming. Want to get a little faster at getting stuff uploaded, a little more detailed. I'm learning, so don't be too critical on me. I'm getting better. Love you guys, and take care. Ride safe.